Let's talk about one perfect car. What criteria must this one perfect car meet? Because we have here CLA certified AMG shooting brake, and I think it's not far from it. Let's start with the size. What is the perfect size? Top 25 selling models in Europe have a length range between 4.2 up to 4.8 meters. Our CLA shooting brake is almost 4.7 meters long, so it's long enough. Trunk space. Again, if we take top selling models, we have a range from 350 up to 550 liters. Our CLA shooting brake, 500 liters, so it's big enough. Is it practical enough? Yes, you can fit adult children in the back, and it is all-wheel drive, so mountain trips in the winter are more than welcome. Running costs. It is Mercedes. Also, it is AMG, but it's not so bad. Engine. If you watched my previous video about A-Class, and I will be very grateful if you subscribe, comment, like and share. You already know that it is powered by normal M260 engine, only tuned by AMG. So reliability and running costs are almost on the same level as CLA 250. Firmatic is also standard, only tuned. The only difference are brakes. Yes, they are a bit more expensive. CLA 35 AMG also holds nicely its value, so depreciation is also acceptable, and it is a liquid model. One perfect car should be special. It is AMG model, so yes, especially in our configuration with the AMG performance seats, same seats you will find, for example, in the Mercedes GT Coupe for 200,000 euro. Steering wheel, again, AMG performance steering wheel, same one you will find in the most expensive AMG models, and that's nice. Looks, interior and exterior. CLA 35 AMG is long and low. There is a vibe of exotic sports car. For me, it's definitely more special than Golf R, and I do like and respect Golf R. What about driving experience? Handling is really nice, and it is noticeably better and sharper than a normal model. Engine have two modes, on and off. When you drive in comfort mode, it is a normal 2-liter petrol engine. But when you push a little bit harder, it is immediately in AMG mode, and it goes really nicely. The amount of power is ideal. It is a great sweet spot between price, running cost, reliability, consumption and power. Great part of experience is also steering wheel and pedal shifters. Sound is also good, definitely better than you think. And the last part of experience is the ride comfort, and it is acceptable. When you drive CLA 35 AMG, you understand that it is a AMG product, and it is noticeably different than a normal CLA. So conclusion, I think one perfect car is about the right balance between all these criteria. And CLA 35 AMG shooting brake is almost there. There is one objective weakness, ride comfort. Ride comfort is acceptable, but not good enough to win a title of one perfect car. If I would buy one, yes, because it is a special occasion to drive and own CLA 35 AMG, but I would definitely pay extra for adaptive suspension. Thank you for watching and see you next time.